Fun, 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 fun. Pag-ibig, fun, 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 fun. Pag-ibig, fun.
Hi everyone! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Malabon City Square Mall. Getting ready.
Yes.
So kanina pagpunta namin dito nakita na namin yung mga Winkies.
Yes, and parang kakakita lang namin sa kanila kagabi.
Oh, kagabi.
Kagabi lang.
Tapos grabe ang kanilang scream.
Hello! Are you ready for our
Bye.
performance?
Yes.
Yes.
We're about to perform.
Of course, I'm always ready. Whoa.
Always ready.
For you.
Yes. So next. Next interviewee. At siya ngayon ay walang bang. So, this is the first time in the history. Yes, bangless jean. Huwag mo naman iangatin. Ayan pala.
Yes, I'm ready. Lip cheek to
Ba't mo naisipang hindi mag-bangs ngayon?
Tinatamad ako. Tinatamad ako, guys. Kasi, oo.
Nababagan na sila sa bang.
Yeah. Hindi na makaya ngayong noo ko. Parang sobrang tagal na niyang ganun.
Ayun, magpa-perform na daw tayo. So, see you guys later. What's up, Thank you, Malabon City Square, for having us.
Thank you. That was fun.
Energy na binigay nyo. At syempre nabuhayan din kami kanina.
Thank you so much, Pinky.
Yes, our energy
It's a
boosters.
double celebration.
Yes.
It's a double victory.
Yes.
And bubble V.
And double you.
And double abon.
Double.
You are double.
Okay na to. End na natin.
Double abon.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, guys!